National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flood warning for northeastern Barton County, Cedar County, Polk County, southeastern Vernon County, northern Dade County, until 5:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. At 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen across the area, and additional heavy rain is expected through the overnight hours. Law enforcement has reported a road closed in Stockton due to high water. Creeks, streams, and low water crossings will be especially susceptible to the dangers of flooding. Locations in the warning include Bolivar, Stockton State Park, Stockton, Humansville, Polk, Pleasant Hope, Fairplay, Morrisville, Montevallo, Danville, Jericho Springs, Halfway, Aldridge, Arcola, Umberview Heights, Bear Creek, King Hill, Arnica, Eudora, Diala. This warning includes but is not limited to the following low water crossings: Route H just north of Pleasant Hope, Route I at the Palm Detail east of Bolivar, Highway 215 just east of Pleasant Hope, Route West at Turkey Creek just west of Eudora, and Route V at Wablow Creek east of Flemington. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 5:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Missouri, Dade and Polk. The current type...